Now your answer is letter D, correct. Now find the same rules. The team subject has been able to do what to the detailed information? Subject, verb, object. Remember, hoard means to collect and hide. But he didn't mention that they hide the information for any purpose. Of course, reserve, he just like to keep it secret or to close it. No, so it's correct. Right, so letter D to obtain. Come on, have your time. Now what is your answer?
What is A?
So letter A, it's correct. So he mentioned the language is important. This means he disagree. Yes, he disagree. He said through both of them, not only the language, right? So this means he mentioned the language is important. Okay.
Can I go for a minute and I'll come back?
Where?
Just a minute and I'll come back. I'll go to the bathroom.
Sure, of course, go ahead.
Thank you.
Let's try.
The answer is B.
Letter B is correct. That is right. Remember, respond to the study findings. So, information about the finding, right? Correct.
The answer is C.
Letter C, correct. And probably we can take our time, but it's correct. To the conclusion, you must find the conclusion first, as you did, and then go find what's mentioned. Perfect. Here it's became in different style, but it's like about poem, like line, line, line. You see? Well, always
The answer is
mm, letter
that's
A.
right.
Okay. Affectionate, it's from affection, love, suspicion, or restricted rules, right? So no sheltering group, this means not protective. Okay, my dear. Your eye. Oh, well,
The answer is B.
I don't think so. It's letter A. Why didn't you check A underscores the extent of the impact on civil rights? Impact of CEP, impact like effects, conclusions, led by experienced organizers such as, look, attendees, more than 7,000 in all participated. That means this organization is, it's wonderful, it's significant. She got 7,000 in all. Do you imagine? So letter A, it's correct. But wait, illustrates organizers' efforts to educate participants on a wide variety of topics. But here, this number is not about the topics. It's about the attendees, to dashes to modify something before. So out of content. CEP attendees had a diverse array of opinions. This number is not about opinions. It's about the number of people themselves. Imagine. So it is wrong. Establish that criticism is limited to a few individuals. So we're talking about this is a small number. And we have criticism. It's led by experience. And look, participated in workshops on topics ranging from public speaking to legal doctrine before returning home. So there is not any negative point or criticism. So letter D is wrong. That's why. So the impact on civil rights. That's it. Let's try. Tell to my friend.
Answer is B.
Letter B, it is correct. So dictate already means determinate. From the word dict. Dict for Latin roots from dictionary, just like to determine, to identify, to specify. And plus the suffix ate deletes the verb. That's correct. Great.
answer is A. No, no, D. D.
Letter D. No, my friend. Letter B. I don't think so. This is your question, not my question. Let me help you. Because here letter B, it is wrong. Let me remind you of something. Do you remember the Latin roots that mentioned NUL or NIL means no? And no, it means you negate something. You make it negative. You prove it is wrong. Or you prove something it's not important. To negate, to undermine. Let's see the rules. For consumers living far from port, high international transport cost does not affect the price advantages associated with import. This means to show that the price advantage is not important. So it's a nullify is the best answer, not B. Can you imagine it? But we need to know what means denigrate. Denigrate it means to deny importance of something or to disparage, to disrespect, to ignore, to discount. But it does not make sense. Imagine. Do you know there is a verb deny? Look, deny. To help you. Are we talking about we deny the price? The price is not existent? No, it's existent, but it's not important because it's far from. Estimate here, we're talking about value. We're talking about the importance of something, but we are not talking about the value of the price. Imagine. So we're not
Yes.
talking about undervalue something. That's why letter D, misconstrue. It's a common word, means to misunderstand. To misunderstand. Con is to get ideas together. To misunderstand ideas. But we are not talking about that people do not understand the price, or they don't know it, or it's hidden, or it's strange. There is no any evidence. So all need to nullify. So to nullify common word means to negate, to undermine. Just like you don't care about this price, right? So the costs of transporting goods within the country is also a factor to reduce the consumer prices in that country. Feel that? Yeah, as you know, in business, if the imports cost high, the price of the product must be high. Yeah, that's for the economy, don't worry. Yeah, that's it, my dear. It's a jump. Take your time. المدير. Let's follow the rules. We test you for verb, find the subject.
B and D could be.
So it's letter C. But wait, we need to follow the rules. What is the subject for this verb? When she sat or stood in the midst of a circle and they began to, she, who is she? Go back to know more. Began to do what? To the wonderful things. Remember, we have cause and effect when. So began to do what? To wonderful things. Her green eyes grew big and shining. Her cheeks flushed. So this means she is going to do something. Not to mislead, of course. So it's a positive tone, as I told you. So we need positive word. So A and B, of course, negative wrong. To discover things is an explanation after the verb to discover. Look, without knowing that she was doing it, she began to act and made. So it's a creation of discovering. That is. So find subject and verb can help you. Use the tone to help you. As I told you. Now let's go. The next one. If you answer it correctly, we'll go for fun. Hello, my friend.
Answer is D.
Letter D, it is correct. That means you want to have fun. Follow the rules. We have because, so we have technique of cause and effect. Subject, verb, so adjective. So habitats are so what? Large population. So these cats have been difficult to research. Why? Cause and effect. See? Cause and effect. So difficult to research because it's in the distant. Is it full? Full of population? But why difficult? Opposite. Drawn to large. We're not talking about they are attractive too. And how habitats are attractive to population. This means populations were looking for habitats or they love habitats. Does not make sense. How to say responsible for population does not make sense at all. So it's a distance too far. So that means difficult to find them. That's all, my dear. Now we'll keep the rest for your homework assignment. Save your answers. because next time I will correct very quickly, right?
What?